Today we will start our next point, that is the percentage bar diagram. In last lecture we have studied about the bar type, that is the subdivided bar graph. Today we will see our next type, that is the percentage bar diagram or percentage bar graph. First we will see what is meant by the percentage bar graph. We have studied the subdivided bar graph. When the given data is converted into percentage, this subdivided bar graph is also known as the percentage bar graph. That means percentage bar graph is a specific type of subdivided bar graph, and we can draw the percentage bar graph of the above data using the following steps. While drawing the percentage bar graph, we have to follow the following steps. First step is to prepare a table as follows. Here they have given the table directly, so it is easy for us. When information is given that time, we have to prepare first this type of table. This is the first step. Then in percentage bar graph, all bars are of height 100 units. You have to draw all bars are 100 units. You can see in this graph. I have taken an example from practice set 11.3. See the first example. Show the following information by a percentage bar graph. In this example, they have given the information about number of students who secured A grade in the different divisions of standard 8. 4 divisions are given A, B, C, D, and the students who secured grade A are number are given here, and they also given us total number of students. I also added one row again. The percentage is the last row. Here we have to draw the percentage of the students who secure A grade in the subject. While writing the percentage, you have to draw use this formula. In this, 45 students secure the A grade marks and total students are 60. For this, we have to calculate like this: 45 upon 60 into 100. That means the total students are placed at the numerator place, and number of students who secure the marks are placed at the numerator place, and multiplied by 100. We find the percentage of the students who secured grade A. Here in A division, 75 students secure A grade. In B division, 60% students secure A grade. In C division, 25%, and in D division, 20% students secure the A grade. Now using this information, we have to draw the percentage bar graph. Like other graph, we have to draw first x and y axis, and the point of origin is here. Now on x axis, we have to write the name of the divisions by leaving specific space. Then here I have leave the 1 centimeter in between each division, and I have write the divisions on the x axis, and on y axis we have to draw numbers like this. For this I have taken scale. On y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. So I have drawn here 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 100, and in this A grade students are shown by the line, and other students are shown by the blank space. Now see in the graph, all the graphs or all in this graph, all the you can see in this graph all the levels are at the 100 units. That means bars of all the bars are at the equal level. We have to draw these 4 bars on the ABCD division, and then we have to subdivide it. Then the number of students in A division who securing the A grade are 75%, so subdivided at 75%. For B, subdivided at 60%. For C, for at 25%, and for D at 20%. Thus here we have completed our percentage bar graph by using this information. Here we have completed first example from practice 11.3. There are 3 examples. In third example also they have at the same time at that of the first. They have given us the information about the inclination towards science stream and inclination towards the commerce stream. 4 schools are surveyed here, and they have given information. Here we have to draw the we have to count total, the percentage, and then draw the percentage bar graph as I shown here. You have to solve this example yourself. Then see the second example. In second example, they have given us the graph, and we have to answer the questions they have asked us. We can see the graph shown here. First question is state the type of bar graph. We can see on the y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10%, and all bars are at the 100 units level. So this is the percentage bar graph. The type of bar graph is the percentage bar graph. Then the second question: how much percentage in the is the tool production to total production in Ajita's farm? See the first bar is Ajita. They asked us how much percentage tool production to total production. Total production is 100%, and tool production is 60%. Then see the third question. Compare the production of gram in the farms of Yash and Ravi and state whose percentage of production is more and by how much. We have to compare the production of Yash and Ravi's gram production. You can see in Yash farms gram production is 50% and in Ravi's farm gram production is 30%. So Yash farm gram production is more by 20% than the Ravi's farms. Then see the fourth question, whose percentage production of tool is the least. You can see in the graph here Sudha's tool production is least in this graph. And last question is state production percentage of tool and gram in Sudha's farm. You can see Sudha's production bar. Here tool production is 40% and remaining is the gram production, that is the 60%. Thus on the percentage bar graph, they asked us two types of question. First is they have given us the statistical information and we have to draw the percentage bar graph. And second type is they have given us the graph and asked some questions. We have to answer the questions. Here we have completed our 11th chapter, that is the statistics, and completed practice at 11.3. You have to practice it and draw the graphs in your graph book. Here we will stop today. Thank you.